be a cynic, but you can't be trusting just the same. No matter how you feel, somebody will have something hateful to say. Oh, I hope I'm not becoming another victim of these angry days. With everybody judging, we need something we can't twist or mistake. I'm talking decency, morals, compassion, respect, and empathy. Kindness, push in the right direction, truth and purity. Please, let's have some decency. You see the mark of danger, something slithering, slippery in their eyes, that you're sure will come between you and something you hold dearly inside. Well, it's fight or flight. Some people can't stay good enough inside. But maybe there's a chance to spark a change in their mind. With some decency, serenity, acceptance, persistence, integrity, humility, preservation, no greed. Do anything, just don't be absurd. Please, let's have some decency. Oh, vitality, dignity, justice, reverence, sincerity. Oh, wonder and zeal, come on, let's be real. Put the human in humanity. Let's have some decency.